Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, welcome back. And you can see I've taken my gloves off. I've got the jig up here on the bench now. Lifting the lid. You can see how it's formed inside here. Critical thing is the height of this needs to be close to the height of the wood here. That's what we're looking for all the way through. Lifting the core out. Your paper might come off. Mine has. That's right, put it to one side, you're going to keep it. Slide the core out. And you can see how we've got the shape here to hold on to for our battery snap. And the other end over here. At this stage I can pull the inside paper off. It comes off nicely. Alright. And I can probably take the outside paper off as well. Pulling all the paper off. It's still a bit sticky, a bit awkward while it's hot. If I was let it cool a bit more, it'd be a bit easier. But essentially, we're going to have the paper come all the way off, and then we'll be ready to solder our components to our board. So there we go. All our paper's off. We've still got this part here so we can line it up with our holes so we know where the components go. So if we're not sure where the components go, we can check it with our paper one. And we've got our board there ready to move on. Edges polished, bent, holes drilled, ready to put the circuit on. So in our next tutorial I'll show you how to pick the components, place the components, and then solder it up. Till then guys, cheers.